Where's Sean?
I don't know. He's running late. We got like 40 minutes to the show. I don't no idea where he's at. I'm starting to get a little worried.
He'll make it.
But we'll just set up around here and hopefully. I think Liz is calling us. Let's go visit Liz real quick. What's that?
Oh, that sounds familiar.
That's our vlog from yesterday.
Somebody just complained about a Sean Rima video because he's making, the man said Sean is making fun of Jack Riccardi's producer and that was inappropriate and he wants Sean suspended for a week without pay.
So Taylor's fans apparently are upset that Sean made fun of Taylor, but when Taylor makes fun of Sean, it's hilarious.
How but Taylor made fun of Sean Rima last Friday on the video blog.
He did. That was Kareem's idea.
Look. I don't know. I think it's just payback. I don't know why this man is so upset. Because Taylor's not upset, right?
No,
Taylor's not
Taylor
upset.
loves it. So if you have any calls of complaint about this video, do not call the news department because Liz Ruiz is very busy.
Very busy. Very busy. I'm going away.
Yeah, go away.
All right, bye-bye.
I'm busy.
Oh, she is, and it's almost at the bottom of the hour.
Hey,
Don't
you were
we got-
supposed to go away.
We got a news break coming up.